Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if.
So hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can upload your View app to your internet like pro. So the service we are going to use here is called Vercel. So Vercel supports all sorts of different types of platforms such as Next.js, frameworks such as Angular, Nuxt, Next.js, Svelte, and we have Hugo, we have Gatsby. So basically we have all of this, and it generates a specific configuration for all of this, which is by default configuration. Like for React we have the build folder, Vue have the dist folder, Angular also have the dist folder, and all sorts of stuff. So now what we have to do, we have to click on sign up, and you can connect with all of these services. So I'm going to connect with GitHub. In GitHub I have already connected it, so let me show you how this looks in the dashboard. So here are my three projects, but you will not see any of them because you haven't created any. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this new project. Before clicking on that, what you have to do is go to your GitHub repository and you have to create one, because this basically fetches your all code from your GitHub repository and host it. So what we need to do is to create a new Vue project. Okay, so I have created a new Vue project, new Vue app, and if we run npm start, npm run serve, it will show me that this basic hello world project. Now what we have to do, we have to go to our repository, we need to click new here, and let us initialize a new GitHub repository. So I'm going to delete the old one, and I'm going to say git init git add dot git commit dash m new build, and you need to do git remote add origin, and origin, let's create an origin which is a new Vue app, and let's create repository. Now we have to copy this origin here, and we are going to upload this. So these are the basic command. I don't have to teach you, you all know how to work with GitHub and all, but let me show you how to upload this with Vercel. Okay, so just a second. Okay, now it is uploaded. Now what we have to do is go to our dashboard, click on new project, and here you can see I have new Vue app, and make sure that this logo is showing. If this logo is not showing, which means that you have put it in somewhere else, which is not a root Vue project, because it generates some configuration files automatically, so you have your life way easier than writing all the command stuff, all that's by yourself. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this import button here. If we zoom in, you can see here new Vue app which is added just now. Now what you have to do is click on import here. After that you can create a team if you want, but I'm gonna skip. And next thing you need to do is configure the project. Now you have, see, my project name is new Vue app. So if you want this as a domain name, you can go here new app and check if this domain name exists. So as you can see, this domain name does not exist, which means that if you deploy this website, it will be here. Now if you want to upload it like a project.vercel.app, unfortunately it's not available because it's already taken by someone. So this is the catch here. If you want to deploy your website as a standalone domain such as new Vue, something like that, you can select a unique project name for your Vue app or any other website. Okay, so now if you go to build and output settings, you can see that it has already configured all of things, output directory, install command, and all that stuff. You can override this by checking on this override button, and you can type in here. Now let me put this on off. If you have any environment variables such as API key and all that stuff, you can put this here, such like Vue app. Let me just a second. Vue app API key, and that's something like this. This is okay. I'm not going to add something because I don't have any, because this is just a basic website, hello world website. So now what we have to do after all this configuration, we just have to click deploy, and now it will take let's say 2 to 3 minutes to fetch the source code, skip build cache, because we don't have any dist folder in our GitHub repository. So it will skip the build cache, building and uploading, build, all of that stuff. So wait patiently for some time, it will be done. Have uploaded our website, so congratulations. Now what you have to do is go to this dashboard, and it will assign you two domains, which is something like deployment and domains. So you can either choose this here, or this, or this, or okay, that's it, enough. You can also choose this one, it assigns you a ton of Vercel apps. So this is a new app, Git master, and this do also the same. this is also the same, and this is also the same. This is basically not the same because it's tell you where you have to go. So deployment is this. So if someone goes here and you have login account, you can go check this here. So you can see here we have successfully deployed R, and you can see all the logs here, build logs, all that stuff. If any error has occurred, it will show up here. So that's all for today, guys. I'll catch you up in the next video. Till then, see ya. Have a good day.